What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to set up a new key fob on your 2000 to 2006 GMC Yukon. It'll also work for a Chevy Suburban, a Chevy Tahoe, and the Cadillac Escalade too. So first thing you want to do, obviously, is have your key fob. You want to put your key in the ignition. Don't turn it on yet, right? So you put your key in the ignition. You're going to hold the unlock button on the driver's side door panel, and then you're going to cycle the key twice quickly, on, off, and you'll see on the side over here your lock mechanism here is going to cycle to show that it's going into programming mode. So let's do that now. Hold the unlock button. We'll cycle twice. See, now it's in programming mode. You want to take your key fob. You want to push the lock and the unlock button together. Hold it until the door locks cycle again, and then this will be programmed. It usually takes about 10 seconds to complete. There it is. It's all cycled. So we'll turn the key to the on position and then back off again. You'll hear the horn click, the horn honk, and basically that takes it out of programming mode. And then all you have to do is just test your key fob. It's locked. Single lock. Double is unlock all the doors. And that's all there is to it.